Cryptoyang gang family, what's going on today? It's a new day. Today is January the 29th. It's your boy Cryptoyang. And as you can see on Spacemining, I am now at another 0.00188 Satoshis. Last time you guys saw me, we were purchasing hash power. Notice how it's crazy. I don't understand why it does that, but you saw how I was at 188 and now I'm at 187 when the page refreshed. I guess they have some kind of bug in the browser. I mean, in the website. But anyway, this website is definitely a gamble play. Anyway, hopefully we get something out of this. We will see. But as of right now, we're just trying to make things move faster so that we can get more money quicker. If you're riding with me on this one, it's gonna be a nice little trip. So I'm gonna copy this, put it in the amount to deposit. That's another 1877 gigahashes a second, and currently we have 19401. So we should end up with 21278. I guess that's very odd. It was supposed to be 21278, but I got 21282. Whatever, we'll take it. The math is all kinds of messed up on this website, but we knew that it was a risk from the beginning, and just hoping to get something out of it. So, and it doesn't even really look like that's moving much faster. I guess it is. I guess it does have a little more pep to it, but that's it. So we're just gonna keep reinvesting. This is day 3 on Spacemining. I think on day 5 I'm gonna reinvest for the last time. And then day 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, I'll probably withdraw and see how that goes. So I'll be making videos every day, updating on Spacemining, whether I'm reinvesting or whether I'm withdrawing, so you guys can stay updated on what's going on. Cryptoyang signing out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can see whenever I update things. I appreciate you guys.